Mr. Pham Nhat Vuong, the richest person in Vietnam and chairman of the Board of VinGroup, has been listed among the top 200 wealthiest individuals in the world with a multi-billion-dollar fortune. As of April 2020, his total assets amounted to $5.6 billion. Mr. Pham Nhat Vuong, chairman of VinGroup, currently ranks 286 on Forbes' global billionaire list, 47 spots lower than in 2019. However, as of October 26, 2020, this number has increased to $6.6 billion due to the continuous rise in VinGroup's stock prices. He stated that VinGroup has officially entered the global playing field with the determination to conquer the world. VinGroup's 2022 annual report is also titled Conquering the World. VinGroup has officially entered the global playing field with the determination to conquer the world. Achieving this goal is certainly not simple. Even more challenging than before. However, there are great opportunities arising as the technology industrial revolution 4.0, the green revolution, and globalization are taking place more powerfully than ever. We can only achieve victory by accepting sacrifice, hardship, and taking resolute action while harnessing the intellectual strength of Vietnam and connecting with global intellect. That will be the key to VinGroup's success, shared Mr. Pham Nhat Vuong, chairman of the Board of VinGroup, at the beginning of the 2022 annual report. 1. About VinFast. Mr. Nguyen Viet Quong, CEO of VinGroup, stated that VinFast, a pioneering brand in the global expansion strategy, had a pivotal year when it officially became a pure electric vehicle manufacturer. In November 2022, VinFast made a historic milestone for the Vietnamese automobile manufacturing industry when, for the first time, a Vietnamese automotive brand met the quality standards and all requirements to export to the United States. The most demanding market in the world, said Mr. Quong. After obtaining import and circulation permits for vehicles in the US and completing the testing phases, the first VF8 City Edition cars were handed over to US customers, marking the beginning of VinFast's presence in the international market. VinFast has also opened 22 sales and after-sales service centers in North America and Europe. In March 2022, VinFast signed an agreement to build an automobile manufacturing plant in North Carolina, USA, with an initial investment of $2 billion. The plant has a capacity of 150,000 vehicles per year and is expected to start operations in 2025. In the domestic market, VinFast sold over 24,000 cars in 2022. In the final month of the year, both VinFast electric models, VF8 and VFE34, made it to the top 10 best-selling car models in the market, with VF8 ranking third after only 4 months of official deliveries. Apart from cars, VinFast electric motorcycles achieved sales of 60,000 units in 2022, a 43% increase compared to the previous year. The most notable achievement was the VinFast Evo 200 electric motorcycle, which received 18,000 orders within 48 hours of its launch and was dubbed the national electric motorcycle in the Vietnamese market. 2. About Vines. Vines has successfully researched its own battery cells and put them into trial production at the battery cell factory in Hai Phong. According to the CEO of VinGroup, Vines has expanded strategic partnerships with leading battery companies such as CATL and 𝐋𝐈𝐊𝐄 to diversify the supply chain and avoid the impact of global supply chain disruptions, as well as minimize dependence on a specific technology to manage costs effectively. At the same time, Vines collaborates with technology companies to promote research and development of solid-state battery technology and ultra-fast charging technology to support VinFast in the future. 3. About VN Big Data. Mr. Nguyen Viet Quong shared that VN Big Data continues to develop a multi-application technology ecosystem with products such as Vivi Virtual Assistant, chatbot, and the multi-perceptive artificial intelligence platform VinBase. The company has successfully implemented a 360-degree panoramic observation feature for electric vehicles, driver monitoring systems, and developed a range of smart devices to deploy management and operation features for smart city ecosystems. 4. About VinHomes. Mr. Vuong stated that the real estate business segment of the group recovered in the first half of the previous year after being affected by the COVID-19 pandemic for 2 years, resulting in record-breaking values of new signed contract sales and untransferred sales of 128.2 trillion VND and 107.6 trillion VND, respectively. In the past year, VinPil collaborated with the Melia Group to transfer management rights for 13 hotels under the Melia VinPil brand and 6 hotels excluding 2 upcoming properties to the Marriott International Group. In the retail real estate sector, Vincom Retail was the only retail real estate developer to open 3 new commercial centers, all achieving occupancy rates of over 94% in 2022. Vincom Retail recorded a post-tax profit of 2.8 trillion VND, a 111% increase, and reached 116% of the annual plan. Vincom Retail achieved a post-tax profit margin of 38% of revenue. Based on the above business segments, in the previous year, VinGroup achieved net revenue of 101.8 trillion VND, accounting for 1.1% of Vietnam's GDP. VinGroup's post-tax profit reached 12.8 trillion VND, and its market capitalization reached 205.2 trillion VND. Reflecting on VinGroup's activities in 2022, Mr. Nguyen Viet Cuong shared, "We continue to maintain resilience and perseverance in facing challenges from the external environment to accelerate the pace of recovery after the COVID-19 pandemic year."